Nung pagkawala ni Inoy, alam niya mag-step up siya for UE, but suddenly, nagka-teammate ulit sila.
Oo nga, sayang yun yung tatlo Stevens, Rimogat, and Maga umalis That have could been.
Tsaka Welo-Lingo-Lingo.
Oo, simple, nandun pa.
Sayang kung nagsabay yung apat.
Imagine mo that.
Diba?
Could be in a good UE lineup.
So, may kiskisan dito, coach, no? Between, right after that foul of Rainer against Jacob.
Pisikalan lang. Pisikalan lang. That's part of the game. Mind games yan Pikon ay laging talo.
Sabi mo cooler heads prevails no?
All the time.
All the time. Marasigan. Nakaumpisa pa lang ng ating fourth quarter dito. That's Steven Gagate.
That's a good two-man action there. One-sided play for the Green Archers. They need to have a stop. Maybe dalawa to tatlo. And then a conversion and we have a ball game.
Maga against Makalalag. There's a switch. Pablo, 5 seconds to shoot. They need to fire. Binigay kay Briones. Shot clock at 2. Yun lang. Di pala alam ni Briones.
Chico Briones should have shoot that one. Ito na nga, bumalik na Coach Gold Monteverde. 11th commandment ninyo. Thou shall not compiance. Bumalik agad itong Rimogat even though they're leading at 17 kasi nga basketball is a game of runs.
Alam naman natin yung rivalry nitong dalawang teams na ito, coach, no? Kahit saang liga pa yan, every win counts.
Exactly.
Sa kanilang rival. Cortez. And by the way, in the 2020s, the birth of new rival in UAAP. Dati, Lasal Ateneo, no? Tapos, pumasok saglit yung FEU UST, but ngayon, Lasal Ateneo, and then in the 2020s, it's the UP Lasal right now.
Exactly. Again, talking about UP, they all have 5 straight playing in the finals. Imagine mo that. It's so hard to have that level of winning.
At sa 5 final stint nila since 2020, 3 beses sila nag-abot ng Lasal, 2 beses sa Ateneo.
Dalawa yung finals.
Finals.
No,
Tatlo
dalawa yung
yung
championship. Isa sa
UP.
Ateneo.
Isa sa Lasal.
Dalawa.
2 sa Lasal. So 3 championships for UP in the previous 5 years.
Hindi, parang dalawa lang.
Dalawa lang pala, dalawa lang.
Isa kay Ateneo.
2 for Lasal, isa for Ateneo.
Yeah. Yun yung sa panahon na
2020. Right after pandemic.
Yeah, yung panahon ni Sean Quiteves.
Sean Quiteves.
Yeah, our player.
David Deponso.
Yeah, sa Cebu yun.
Payosing, ngayon bumalik din. Si James Payosing. Out of bounds for Steven Gagate.
Sayang, maganda yung depensa. On that hand-off ball screen, nabitawan lang.
2 seconds to shoot, coach. Iniguez fires. Makalalag. Cortez. Here comes Jacob. Goes to the other side. Makalalag drops it to Gagate. And that's a high arc shot for Steven Gagate.
5 straight points from this guy, the pride of Cebu Nino. Mga magkakapatid ko ng mga mahaba. He has the soft touch. Oh, good dive there for Makalalag. VJ Pre and Baila coming back in for the Fighting Maroons. Iniguez and Palanca out.
Steven Gane right after that that first quarter, or first half rather, na kanyang playing time. Third quarter, he didn't play. Ngayon fourth quarter, bumalik na ulit ito si Gani Stevens. Well, at the matchup, Steven Gagate and Connie Stevens, former teammates. Ay, hindi pala nagpangabot.
Hindi na pag-abot. Again, may napapa-shoutout ninyo.
sige.
Hindi rin na niya narinig. Eman Calo.
Wow, Eman Calo ah.
Oh, the pride of parang Compostela.
Compostela, Mabini. Compostela,
Oh, the
Cebu.
former UV Green Lancers. The former MPBL player. I think still on Basilan. Shout out to his family too.
Wow, Noy Remogat.
What a move there by Ray Remogat. Nag-drawing ng elepante sa ere.
Cortez, reaction swing, Abadam, back to Pablo. One-on-one against BJ Pre. Shot clock at 8. Gagate, heat check, short for Steven. Wow, no look pass. Payosing, extra feed. BJ Pre not this time.
That's a good foul there for VJ Pre, trying to stop that transition of Jacob Cortez.
At ngayon naman, Coach, may update tayo coming from Flo Del Agua.
Salamat ninyo. Let's talk about how Steven Gagate sees this game. Using his words, ang tagal kong nasa UP kaya alam ko yung sistema nila. At the same time, ang tagal ko na ding nasa DLSU kaya kabisado ko din yung sistema dito. Yung ganitong klaseng knowledge is definitely my advantage today. Dagdag ni Steven, sa tagal niyang naghintay, 2 years na lang ang kanyang playing year sa UAAP kaya gusto niyang masulit at mag-shine, and what better way to do that than to perform in front of your former team, especially to cut this lead. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Flo. You know, ako, sa nakita ko si Steven na palipat-lipat ng mga schools in this UAAP stint. And I'm praying for him na sana this year, for Steven, na mabigyan or makuha niya na yung spotlight na kanyang hinihingi. Kasi nga, sabi ni Flo, 2 years left for his playing career.
Yeah, well, talking about Steven naman Gagate, is really a new generation of big
Gagate.
guy. Center. Alam mo, may tira talaga to sa labas eh.
DJ Pre against Pablo. I love the matchup. Pre to Remogat. 4 seconds to shoot. Airball for Noy.
All the way from the parking lot ang layo nun. But then again, 4 seconds left on the shot clock. Pwede pa to 15. Around 4 minutes. Babaan mo lang siguro sa mga 11. 3 minutes sa mga 7. They will have a ball game.
Just, you know, take it slowly as Jacob Cortez finally naisigaw niya na yung frustration
For
niya.
sure, he's very frustrated now. Sabi kasi nila, we're very good team. Di pwede ganito kalamang. Malaki yung lamang ng UP.
And Earl Abadam, you know, just asking their bench to, you know,
Pop them up.
oo,
Kailangan din ng mga tao ninyo ng magandang laban. Medyo quiet yung arena natin dito sa Ipil sa Buanga, Sibugay.
and knowing Lasal, we know if hindi pa tapos yung buzzer or yung game dito, they still have hopes.
Of course, that's the heart of a champion ninyo. We have a timeout.
Back to the ball game. UP still up here by 12 points. Wow, BJ Pre. Wide open underneath, coach. Alone but not lonely.
Sayang nga, miscommunication there for Daep on Marasigang. Sayang, they're playing the passing lane sana, pero dalawa yung kumuha eh.
Cortez binomba pa. Connie Stevens cherry picking. BJ Pre able to get that pass.
Sabi ni Remogat, kasalanan ko, coach. Yun yung gusto ko sa point guard eh. Rewarding your picks, especially pag tumatakbo.
Oo. Para mga Paul Hoben lang eh, no? Yung mga feeds niya kay Enrico Lianto dati.
Ganun naman talaga tayo, pass first tayo eh.
Pass first pag wala ng dribble.
Alam ko, sabi mo, Coach Kim,
Wow.
wala akong shooting. But then again, Amos with that shot. This is now the closest they've been.
20 was the biggest lead, coach. Now it is 11. And, you know, Remogat,
Oh, good block there by Luis Pablo.
but BJ Pre still not finished here.
When in doubt, shoot there for VJ Pre. Sayang eh. Sakit nun for the Green Archers.
Solid ka, pre. As Amos, back to back for Mason Amos.
Amos telling his team, let's go. Let's get this stop. Oh, almost a steal there for Manasigan.
And I love the exchange of basket for both teams right now, Coach. But you know, for LaSalle, sila yung nabubuhayan dito eh. Sila yung nagaganahan sa ating exchange eh.
And for the Green Archers, hindi pwedeng magkapalitan sila ng puntos. They need to have a stop now with under 5 minutes.
3 team fouls for UP Fighting Maroons while first pa lang yun.
Yeah, I like this sub. Cortez bumalik na. There's a quick 1-minute break. Luis Pablo, quick press here. Almost a steal here. Gagate against Stevens.
Abadam has it. 4 minutes time remaining. Cortez wants to go inside. Stolen away by Jacob Baila. BJ Pre. James Payosing on in attack mode.
Alam ko anong nasa isip ng mga taga-UP ninyo. The last time we faced this LaSalle, masakit yun.
Oo.
They lost on the UAAP finals, so they would really want to win this game.
Mason Amos. No look pass. Gagate, that's an air ball. Rebound pickup by Gani Stevens. By the way, this is the starting 5 for UP Fighting Maroons. Payosing, Gani, Baila, Raymogat, and DJ Pre.
Good foul there for Makalalag para bumalik itong Luis Pablo. They still have the 2 fouls here, team fouls.
67-80, 3 minutes and 27.
80-67 is our score. 3 and 27. Raymogat. Noy against Makalalag. Here comes BJ Pre. Scans the floor. Libre si Payosing. Corner 3. Rebound. Topped by Gani to the wrong guy. Makalalag stops. Fires and scores.
Makalalag, when in doubt, shoot. And slowly but surely, the lead of the Fighting Maroon just comes down to 10. Basketball is a game of runs. Basketball is a game of momentum.
And Noy Raymogat right after the shot of JC Makalalag holding to his
Shoulder ba yan?
left shoulder. On our screen, De La Salle Green Archers bench. They are down here by 10 points with 3 minutes and 6 seconds.
Ito ninyo, may nagpapa-shoutout. Shoutout to JB Mutya and Curbs Mots. Mayong gabi ninyo
si
sila.
Baro.
Salamat kayo bay sa pagsuporta. Tanaw-tanaw, kung gimingaw ka na mo, pwede rin yung kamo hug.
And also shout out sa kanya kasama din si Vernon Tan watching from Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea.
Papua
Now,
New Guinea.
good thing Ray Rimogat bumalik. They need to have a stop now. Baila versus Cortez.
15 seconds to shoot. Raymogat for 3. Kung pumasok yun, big shot yun for Noy Raymogat.
Ball will go back now to the Green Archers. That's 3 straight stops now. This could be interesting.
2:50 sa ating oras. UP lamang pa rin po ng 10 puntos against DLSU. 2 minutes and 48. Cortez, libre. Decides to go to the other side. Balik naman sa kanya against James Payosing. Cortez fires. Misses. Rebound. Abadam. The one-hander is good. The lead is down to 8.
James Payosing and Jacob Cortez.
Gani Stevens, he was double team right there. The foul, yung sundot ni Abadam.
And there's still a good wrist there for Abadam. They're not yet on the penalty. Marasikan coming back now for Amos. They want to have a fast 5 now for the Green Archers. I believe that's without topics officers. Their first lead, that is assistant coach Oliver Uni.
Oh, yeah. Coach Oliver. And right on our screen, nag-scout to, si Coach Cars Cares.
Boss ninyo.
10 seconds to shoot. Remogat, didiskarte, kontra kay Makalalag. 2 seconds, Remogat fires. Miss shot. Last 2 minutes. Marasigan, Cortez. Pressure cooking time for DLSU as Cortez with a contra-tempo off the glass finish doon.
This is the closest for the Green Archers since that first quarter. 6 na lang.
And a clean sweep by Jacob Cortez. 6 points na lang ito. Luis Pablo almost. And then one for him.
Now the people inside Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay, I know they're sleepy kanina. Nabuhayan, nagising.
Yung nanonood sa atin ng live ngayon na nasa rotonda na, baka biglang sumakay ng bao-bao at babalik dito para ma-witness itong ating napakagandang laro. Sabi nga natin kanina, Coach, mahaba pa yung isang quarter to decide if sino yung mananalo. Kasi alam nga natin yung rivalry nitong Lasal and UP. If hindi pa matatapos yung laro, no winner to declare.
Oo, mahaba pa rin to. 1 minute and 29 seconds left. First free throws missed. They just, for Pablo, he just needs to make this one.
Just like last night, Luis Pablo's crucial free throws, Coach, against Alicia Wellick.
Oo, ngayon, 2 miss yun.
Wow, nice find by Pre. Payosing. Nadulas doon, hindi lang yung mga players yung pawisan na dito, pati yung bola.
James Payosing, natawa na lang eh.
And you know, napaganda pa yung possession na yun for UP na nag-trail down itong si Amos, no? At tumama sa kanyang katawan, Coach. Kung hindi, Lasal's ball yun.
Yes, breaks of the game favors UP Fighting Maroons.
Baila, just taking his time here. Pinagpag yung depensa doon. There's a switch. Libre si Pre. DJ misses. The rebound tap goes to Abadam. 1:05 time remaining. Cross-court pass. Makalalag all day. This shot.
Sayang Makalalag. Did not see on that wing Amos, who on this quarter is 3 out of 3 from the 3-point line.
14th foul for DLSU.
Pwede pa rin to.
Baila. Steven Gani. Stolen away. Abadam. Went out of bounds in the last touch.
Sayang, nasundot lang. But clearly, Abadang, that's a good drive there. That time was not on the side for the Green Archers.
And we have a timeout here for LaSalle Green Archers.
Score 80-74, 6 by UP.
38.5 seconds, Coach Paul. 80 to 74. This is just 6 points. LaSalle with the ball position. They're down by 6 here. Amos will catch it. 20 seconds. Amos. Hit check for Amos. Rebound. The tap goes to Gani Stevens. And that's a foul and 2 free throws for Gani Stevens, Coach.
Mason Amos gustong magmano-imano against kay Stevens.
Gani Stevens making sure he has some dry hands before taking that free throw, Coach.
Kailangan kasi medyo madulas yung bola. This will be an ice here to ice the game. 2 pressure pack free throw now for Gani Stevens.
First one for Gani, that's a miss. Second one for Gani Stevens. Squad up by 6 points here. One out of 2 for Gani Stevens. Cortez gives it to Amos. Fires for 3. Too strong. Abadang. Another opportunity for LaSalle. Miss shot again. Amos. What a top to Marasigan.
Pwede pa to. Just a 5-point lead now. With 20 seconds, baka mag-turnover itong UP. We'll be back.
Back to the ball game. 81 to 76. 20.3 seconds. UP's ball. PJ Pre to Maga. Rainier Maga. No more shot clock. Maga, and that's a foul for LaSalle.
Rainier Maga from Davao played 2 years ago for the UA Red Warriors, now eligible to play for the UP Fighting Maroons.
Much needed free throws for Maga to seal the win here for UP Fighting Maroons. 12.5 seconds left. You know, I love the composure of UP Fighting Maroons. Alam nilang magtatrap talaga yung Rizal, Coach, no? And then yung ball rotation dun.
Yeah, exactly. Quick timeout here for the Green Archers. For sure, Nino, hindi na sila maghanap ng 2 points dito. They will try to have that 3-point shot. Pero for the Green Archers, kailangan pumuntos ninyo kasi nga baka may mga triple tie potion system tayo.
Di ba, mention mo nga ulit yung, Coach, yung tournament format natin.
Again, we have 5 teams, single run elimination tayo. Rank 3 and 4 will fight for 3rd place and rank 1 and 2 for the championship. And maliit lang naman yung first prize. If I'm not mistaken, this is the biggest so far in the history of Philippine basketball.
Oo,
Yung
no?
mga ganito, yung mga
Maliit lang, 200,000 lang yung kulang, 1M na.
Oo, 800,000
800,000
for the champion.
500,000 for the second prize. And then 3 and 2.
3 and 2 for the third and fourth,
Diba
respectively.
when you guys won the championship,
500 pa yun
500 pa yun. And then the next year, 23, naging 700.
500 pa rin.
7. Naging 8. Dalawang years na to na 800,000.
Wow.
Grabe. Thank you so much, Governor Ann K. Hopper. And back to our ball game, Coach. 12.5 seconds. Nakabox itong DLSU. Nice stop by James Payosing. The layup, Gani Stevens. Nilabas pa. And ito na nga. Congratulations to UP Fighting Maroons for winning against DLSU Green Archers. UP, they are 1-1, while DLSU Coach 0-2 in the standings natin.
Exactly. Day 3, magandang bakbakan yan ninyo. It will be very, every game counts this tomorrow on our day 3. First game tayo, De La Salle versus Zamboanga Valientes, followed by University of the Philippines versus Municipality of Alicia versus ex-Welec. Again ninyo, this is the Battle of Champions.
Oo nga, Coach, no? And balikan natin yung story natin kanina. Battle of Elites. Hindi naman tayo pinahiya, no? Though in the third quarter or entering to our fourth quarter, UP had that all 20-point lead. But, La Salle with the heart of a champion, able to cut down that lead. Humabol pa nga. The closest so far was 5 points. But, UP just being on top all the time, dictating the tempo of this ball game, able to capitalize their strength against UP, against La Salle rather, and then getting the W. Your thoughts, Coach?
Kitang-kita natin, kulang talaga ang rotation ng De La Salle. For sure, Coach Topex Robinson, maghahanap to ng additional players. Kung wala, pwede namang next man up mentality.
At ngayon kasama na ni Maris Victorio, ang ating best player of the game, no other than Jacob Baila.
UP bounced back from their loss last night against San Beda. Grabe, sila naman ang on fire tonight. Coach Paul Anino, kasama ko na nga ngayon ang ating best player of the game from the UP Fighting Maroons na si Jacob Baila. Now, Jacob, Coach Potet told me that what they only advised is to execute what you guys need to execute. So what did you change any game plan from coach's plan from the start?
Yeah, just applying what we do in practice, executing the right plays and playing together as a team. Just the beginning, it's just the off season, but we got a long ways to go.
So considering half of you guys are new to the team, are acquired to the team, how's the team chemistry so far?
We're getting there. It's just that, we have to play more games. This is our first game together. And I guess just more games and more practice so we can gel together as a team.
All right, thank you so much, Jacob. Congratulations again for being the best player of the game. Coach Paul Anino?
Thank you so much, Maris, and congratulations to Jacob Baila and the rest of the squad.